The King Ramanais of Thailand, a true visionary, once called Switzerland his home. For 18 years he embraced the cultures and technologies and found solace in this beautiful country. Today, I embark a journey to discover what makes Switzerland so special. Not only does Switzerland attract tourists, but it also draws a diverse range of individuals seeking a new chapter in their lives. Approximately 20,000 Thai expats have found solace and opportunities amid the Swiss landscapes, adding their unique flavors to this multicultural tapestry. Among them are Kun Gal and her husband, who have pursued their dreams of creating a masterpiece watch. They have decided to settle in the heart of renowned watchmaking town, Chaux-de-Fonds. Nestled in the midst of Chaux-de-Fonds, famous for its horological heritage, Mrs. and Mr. Lange have established themselves in this hub of craftsmanship, where time seemed to be carefully shaped with devotion and expertise.
วันนี้นะคะรายการ Explore the World with Expat will taking you to Switzerland, where famous watchmaking are made here in Switzerland, and I'm honored to be here with the owner of this famous brand, the Independent Small Watchmakers, which is let you introduce yourself, like Mr. Tosty Lange, right?
Yes.
So was it this place? What should I say the proper name of this place?
Atelier d'Horlogerie Lange.
คุณแก้วนะคะเป็นคนไทยที่แต่งงานกับคุณเลเน่นะคะเราอยู่กับเธอที่นี่ค่ะที่สวิตเซอร์แลนด์นะคะให้เธอเล่าดีกว่าเจอกันยังไงคะ
เราเจอกันก่อนที่จะมีแบรนด์เลเน่ด้วยซ้ำไปค่ะเราก่อตั้งแบรนด์ด้วยกันด้วยซ้ำไปด้วยหุ้นส่วนคนละครึ่งเขาเป็นสมองแล้วก็ทั้งเงินทั้งสมองส่วนเราก็เป็นคนที่อยู่เบื้องหลังในสิ่งที่เราทำได้เขาถ่ายทอด
นะคะคุณน้อง
เขาจะถ่ายทอดไอเดียหรืองานฝีมือที่เราทำได้ให้ในความประณีตของคนไทยอะค่ะประสานกับไอเดียและเทคโนโลยีของฝรั่งสมองของฝรั่งมันทำให้เกิดลูกค้าประทับใจในความละเอียดอ่อนของงานตัวนี้ด้วยค่ะ
Then we decided that if we're gonna do this, let's do it proper way and move to Switzerland, which is the center of the universe in watchmaking. So this is the best place to do it.
How you feel about after moving here?
Well, yeah, it's a beautiful place. I used to love mountain climbing, rock climbing, and I always love the mountains. So we do try to travel a lot when, of course, we are very busy with the company.
Like how successful of your brand? But what do you think about that?
Well, everything is very difficult in the beginning. So first couple of years were very, very hard and like a struggle, and in many ways. But when you get things going a little bit in your way, then the ball starts to roll, and we are getting better and better shape, and it also helps that the independent watchmaking has been popular in recent years. So many watch collectors see that there is maybe some more variety available outside the normal Rolex and Omega which are very good in their own way, but if customer wants something personalized, something unique, then they have to go to small limited vendors.
With meticulous care and unwavering dedication, Mrs. and Mr. Lange infused their watches with a touch of their Thai heritage. Each timepiece becomes a masterpiece, harmoniously blending Swiss precision with Thai artistry. Through their exceptional creations, Lange have left an indelible marks on the horological world. They have become ambassadors of the Thai spirit, showcasing the beauty of their homeland through the intricate mechanisms adoring wrists around the globe.ก็เป็นยอดของแมตเตอร์ฮอร์นวันนี้เราจะได้เห็นแสงสีทองหรือเปล่าก็ต้องมาลุ้นกันนะก็หวังว่าจะได้เห็นให้เพื่อนๆได้เห็นแสงสีทองบนยอดกันSwitzerland has earned reputation for its breathtaking landscapes, enchanting both its residents and attracting millions of visitors each year. The serene lakes, majestic mountains, and captivating cities combine to create an irresistible charm that captivate travelers and expats from around the world. At this moment, I can't help but think of the inspiring story shared by Lange, who left their hometown behind to explore a new world of watchmaking. It makes me wonder if we all have the courage to leap into the unknown world to chase our dreams. For many expats, their final dream may be to return to their homeland and embracing their families and loved ones. And for some, their ultimate mission is to apply the knowledge gained from exploring the world to develop their hometown, just as the late King Ramanai has done in the past. Thank you all so much for watching. Your support means the world to us, and we appreciate every like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.